Hello, beautiful people. It's another edition of Victor Isibo Reviews. If it's your first time, consider subscribing. Turn on the bell notification icon so that you'll be the first to know when I do another video. If you're a returnee, salute. It's a pleasure having you back on this channel. And today, it's always about how to scale up your business, how to be a better version of you. This channel talks about your edification, financial edification, spiritual edification, moral education, just for you to be a better version of yourself day by day. So now, today we want to talk about social media influencing. I am sure you must have heard about people who are social media influencers and how you can use social media influencing to take your business to the next level. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Yes, definitely, people like to associate with success. So you find out that life is easier when you are popular. Okay, popular people follow them everywhere. In real life, when they go out on the streets, they are mobbed. People want to associate with them. Okay, people go to ask them for favors. If you have a cousin or friend or any family member who is a celebrity, most people will want to go there asking them for different favors. Give me money. Okay, give me clothes, give me shoes. Those are the kind of things that people go to ask them for. These people have followership everywhere they go. Now, there are so many people that have been doing this YouTube content creation for several years. They put out great content back to back every time. Several years they have been doing this thing, but they don't have so much success. Guess what? I know a movie star who opened a YouTube channel and she only uploaded one video, just an introduction and an announcement that she has opened a YouTube channel. On the very first day, she had over 5,000 views. And the comment section of that video was buzzing. As I speak to you now, that channel is still less than a month old and you have almost 20,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers, some people have been chasing it for the past 3 years on YouTube and they cannot make it. Why? Because they are not known. You are a nobody. You are not a celebrity. Nobody is following you. Now, what am I trying to say? How can you now help yourself and benefit from media, social media influencing? How can you benefit from social media influencing if you're not a celebrity? Fine, I will tell you how you can benefit from it. Now, that your cousin, that your friend who is a social media influencer, or that your friend or cousin who is a celebrity, why are you going to them asking them for money, peanuts, money that cannot feed you for more than a day? Ask them to endorse your brand. They would be glad to do that for you. Because people, all the celebrities, find it very difficult to put their hand in their pocket and give you money. They would be glad to endorse your brand than to give you money. They'll see you as somebody who has focus and common sense when you meet them and ask them to just endorse your brand. Imagine this video you're watching now. A popular artist like Wizkid just points his hand like this, maybe on Twitter, pointing at the link to this video. I bet you in 2 hours, this video will have over 1 million views. Or maybe I know somebody who knows somebody who knows somebody that knows Davido. And we were able to convince Davido to come on his Twitter page to say, yeah, everybody, just try, go to YouTube and watch Victor Isibo Reviews. I will have over 50,000 subscribers that hour that he said that thing on Twitter. So that is the way it is, because these people are loved. People love these people. That's why people always like to associate with success. When you are successful, you start discovering people who are your relatives that you never knew were your relatives. People will look for a way to be related to you. You see somebody telling you, you are the uncle to my former girlfriend's best friend. My former girlfriend, her best friend, you are the uncle. Somebody will come and say, I am the landlord of your former girlfriend's roommate in the university. The chain will be long, but they will link it to you. Okay, for instance, look at this kind of introduction.
Yo, my name is Samson. Yeah, I'm very famous. I am ex neighbor to neighbor. Yeah, we lived in the same quarters. Ex neighbor to the former vice president's special assistant on financial issues. Ex neighbor to ex special assistant to the ex vice president on
this is some crazy, very, very, very crazy form of introduction. Or you see somebody that introduces themselves to you like this.
I am the former boyfriend to the former president's daughter's best friend. I'm no longer the boyfriend, and our best friend's father is no longer the president. So there are two former in this statement. I am former boyfriend to the daughter of former. Yeah, that's my claim to fame.
People always want to be associated with success. So, the way you can benefit from having influencers as friends is meet them and tell them to endorse your brand. Okay? Then, if you do not have social media influencers or celebrities as friends or family members, then what you can do is, why don't you justify the endless hours you spend on Twitter, the endless hours you spend on Instagram, by acquiring the requisite followership to be tagged a social media influencer. There are people that are nobodies without any special talent that are so active on Twitter. They have large followership on Twitter. And now they are social media influencers. People that have up to like 50,000 followers on Twitter. When they put a word out there, in just 1 hour, that tweet will have over 2,000 engagements. People are viewing it. People are commenting on it. People are relating with their tweets a lot. Okay? When people love you and they follow you, whatever you say, people will follow up with whatever you say. Okay? And brands are taking note because, advertisement has left mass media. I don't remember the last time I sat down to watch news on TV. I'm being honest. Advertisement has left print media. I can't remember the last time I bought a newspaper. Everything is happening on social media now. So brands are taking note of these social media influencers, and brands are ready to pay you to tweet about their business. Okay? So that is what advertisement is going into now. Okay? Look at me now. I'm doing this YouTube video. I am all sweaty. I am trying to pass a message across. Okay? But this video may not have as much views as the videos of celebrities. You just see an actress who just wake up one morning and decide to do a YouTube video. She'll just set the camera. She has nothing to say. She has no message to pass. She'll just be like, I woke up like this. That will be the title. I woke up like this. She will not say pim. She won't say a word in that video. She'll just wake up under the duvet. Then she will get up in her nightgown. She will go to the bathroom. The camera will follow her. She will wash her face, then dry her face. Then they will write the end on the video. 56 seconds video. That video will have over 1 million views. And it will have over 2,000 comments. Go to the comment section. You will see a matured man. After watching this video that has no message, a matured man, after watching the video, will go and say, wow, I am inspired by this video. This is the best video I have watched in my entire life. I will not only subscribe, I will bring all my village people to come and subscribe to this channel. I'll just be looking at them. Then a video like this where I'm passing out good, great content and message. Such people will not come and comment because I'm not popular. Or you see a popular music artist who carry his children in his car and set camera and say, today's video, I'm taking my children to the school. No, it is me that will come and take your children to the school for you. Why wouldn't you take your children to the school before? Is that what you are bringing to YouTube for the whole world to see? Then he will be driving. After getting to school, he will now hand the children over to the teachers. Then he will drive home. 1 minute video. That video will have over 10 million views and over 2,000 comments. You will see ladies be like, wow, this guy is very intelligent. Look how he took his children to school. Shut up. I've been taking my children to school for a very long time. And I didn't put it on social media. What I'm trying to say is that these people, whatever they do is okay. Okay? Your popular celebrity that you and I know cannot trade Forex can decide to do a video on how to trade Forex. You and I know he doesn't know what he's saying, but we will be there just to watch him because he is popular. Okay? So you can justify your endless hours on Twitter by being active and acquiring a lot of followership. Before you know, you can become very popular on social media. There are lots of social media influencers that are neither movie stars or music stars, but they have acquired followership because they are active on social media. So this is a path we can follow so that we can be able to scale up our businesses by putting our word out there. And of course, content creation is getting tougher and tougher and tougher. Imagine if you joined YouTube, say, 7-8 years ago. The competition is not as stiff as this. Okay, so the best time to start is now. Put your face out there. Let people know you. The moment people know you, accept your face. Whatever you advertise, if you like, advertise toothbrush. People will go and buy that your toothbrush, even if it is not good. But provided you already said they should use it, they will just use it. That's what an influencer can do. An influencer can make you like what you don't like. Since he is saying it, then they will just begin to like it. Okay? When these influencers and celebrities make mistake in their fashion, maybe they forgot to button their shirt somewhere. It was just an innocent mistake. That fashion trend, it will start being in vogue. Everybody will start dressing like that. Now, the celebrity will not be able to come out and say, I made a mistake. They'll say, no, your mistake has been accepted. It's now a law. It's now a trend. They'll start acting like that. That is influencing. So you can be a social media influencer too. With the advent of internet and social media, you can put your face out there. You become known. Okay? This channel, by the time it grows very well, whenever I want to go outside now, maybe I'll have police escort following me everywhere because I'll now become known. Despite that, I am not a popular music artist or a popular actor. So this is a path you can follow to upgrade your business and put your brand out there. First of all, put your face out there, be known. Then what you do will be patronized massively. If you derive value from this video, give me a like. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And make sure to watch these videos that are displayed on your screen. You'll get value from them, I recommend. Till I see you next time, it's bye for now.